Okay, let me see how this goes. Hello, Desiree. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Let me see if I can open a chat box. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Let me see who I got on the chat line. Good morning. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Can someone? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. I'll just wait about 2 more minutes so everyone can sign up. Good morning, guys. Just a friendly reminder, I can only see like 2 people in the chat video at a time. So if you do have questions, guys, unmute yourselves and ask. Since I can only see about 2 or 3 people in the little video box. Okay. So last class for calculus took me a while because we were a little struggling with the audio. But just a friendly reminder that the videos will be posted on YouTube in case you can't listen or something's happening. Okay, so hope everyone's okay. If someone wants to share how they're doing, I'll gladly listen since I am waiting for a couple kids. So if anyone wants to share, unmute yourself and I'll listen.
What's up, Piscina? We out here, man.
What's up, Trey? Good morning, Trey.
Good, Piscina.
How's it going, guys? Juan.
We out here, man.
Good morning, Carmen.
Good
morning, Jared.
Shoot, everybody out here, bro.
There he is.
Yeah, Jared. I know. I see you, Jared. Don't think I don't see you, bro.
I see like 3 people at a time.
Did I just see 3?
Go down. I see.
Oh, okay.
Mom's in here.
Oh, there you go.
Here. Dalia.
Ava, good morning.
Yeah.
Carmen, good morning.
Everyone's on here. Buenos días, piscina.
Buenos días.
What
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
How do you change?
Okay, so wait a couple seconds so everyone can get in.
I'll text you his photos on email or Gmail.
If everyone could take out their notebook, if you forgot your notebook or that notebook no longer exists, write it on a sheet of paper. I will still try to be doing notebook
you look
checks.
like a gamer, bro.
So
Find a pen.
So yeah, find a pen, find a pencil.
Okay.
I don't have anything, sir.
Type it out, guys. Type it out, write in pencil, ink.
Okay, you have to find whatever they're talking about. Oh no, what the heck?
Okay, I
So
don't
are
have
you
my
streaming right now, sir?
And that's streaming. Yes, it is recorded.
Wait. Oh, wait, what the heck?
So you're gonna open your Discord later, man.
My what?
Discord?
Yeah,
Angel, I can hear you. Wait, no, it's not Angel. I'm confused.
There you go. I can see.
Oh shoot, JL. Oh, he's out here, bro. Where's Joe Lewis, bro?
All right, guys, I'll wait about 2 more minutes and then I'll start.
So you're about to not start on time? What? 9:53? Are you serious?
Calculus was
So you're
intense,
late.
guys.
We're late.
Calculus
Can't
was
have this.
intense, guys.
We're late. Oh, geez.
And all I see is Trey. I don't see anyone else.
I see Elizabeth.
Who's talking, sir? Who's talking?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna start muting myself, bro.
All right, guys. Okay, I'm about to start, so I'm gonna mute a couple of you guys, especially Trey.
Isaac, why you looking?
Oh, wait.
Oh, 45 people. Nice, guys. Way to go. Okay.
All
All right.
45.
45. That's half the class. That's half my classes. That's
Bro,
awesome.
all the sophomores up in here, man.
Literally, that's all I knew. Was an example
For you.
sophomore. For sure.
All right, guys. Let's go ahead and begin. Everyone's muted.
Let's try.
Oh, no, wait.
Hey, so you can't hear us, Piscina?
Awesome. So
can hear
we're
us.
gonna go ahead and start with.
You can hear us.
We're gonna go ahead and start with Pascal's triangle. So pretty nifty triangle that was discovered many years ago, decades ago. And we're gonna go ahead and learn about just how to use it, like just the basic to how to make our lives easier. So let me go ahead and start. So the do now that I have, it's gonna be pretty much the same. So expand. So in your notebook, go ahead and expand this real quick. So if I
Yo,
told
sir, I have
you
a question though.
a plus b cubed, yes, Angel.
Wait, do we just like ask you straight up right here, or like? It's because I don't have black shoes on right now.
You're
So is
unprofessional.
that allowed?
I'm gonna
Okay, I'm
kick you
playing.
out.
I'm playing. Go ahead.
I'm
Go
gonna
ahead. I'm
kick you out of
playing.
the chat. Okay. Okay. Awesome.
Wow.
All right. So pretty much, it's telling us that this is cubed. So it's gonna be a plus b to the third power. So hopefully you guys know that this is a plus b times a plus b. So far so good. So as you can see, this is gonna take a little bit of time, but we can do it, right? We're all smart people. So I go do my formula.
Yeah.
A squared, a and b plus a and b and b cubed. I mean b squared. When I combine like terms, I got a squared plus 2ab plus
Bless
b
you.
squared.
Bless you.
A plus b.
Thank you.
Bless you.
So far so good, right? All we did right here
Yes.
was forward. Okay. So the next part that we're gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and distribute the next part. So we're gonna do the exact same thing. Let me get a different color, and sure, green is fine. Whoa. So let's go ahead and do a different color, and it says that we're gonna distribute the following. Just kidding, there's no other color. So it's gonna be a times a, so it's a cubed,
Word two.
this right here, plus this is a squared b, and I keep on doing the exact same thing. So it's 2a, and a gives me a squared, and b itself is attached to it. So far so good. The next one, 2ab times b is going to be
Oh my God.
2a, and b times b is b squared. So far so good.
Espérate, sir,
Pascal.
espérate. Ya me confundí.
Sorry guys, I know I'm trying to get different colors. Here it is. The last one is b squared times a, that is a b
A, B.
squared. And last one, b times b, that is b cubed.
I don't like it.
No, it's not fun at all. It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and continue. Let's combine like terms. Let's see what we
That's
got.
how
Let's
you
see.
do it. Ew.
So let's see if we have any like
Sure.
terms. As you guys can see, someone
Are we
correct
just
me.
distributing?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I don't know.
So it looks like these will give me 3ab squared. This is b cubed. This right here are together, that is 3a squared b, sorry about that. And this is a cubed. So we got something like so. Any questions so far? This should be our solution. Whoops, something like that. So
Sir, is there a B?
yes,
Yeah, right?
yes, it was, sorry. So how fun was this?
Nah.
No.
Wait, is it over?
No.
Didn't understand.
So-
Over.
So
Really hard.
let's pretend I asked you this question. A plus B to the 81th power, and I told you, hey guys, let's distribute all of this.
Oh.
That is going to be a real pain, right? That's gonna be pretty tough. So that's why we're gonna go ahead and use Pascal's triangle to help us make this easier and make stuff like this one right here way easier. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. This is Pascal's triangle, and pretty much it's saying the following. Here you go.
Okay.
Let me see. So I went ahead and put the PowerPoint yesterday just so we can what's going on? Sorry, I lost video right now. Okay, so I went ahead and put the PowerPoint yesterday so we can go ahead and see it. But pretty much this is what I want you to do. We're gonna go ahead and make a little triangle, a little stack of triangles. That's gonna start off with one triangle, and each row you're gonna add another triangle, a little box.
Oh, okay.
All right, so pretty much Pascal's triangle was discovered by many people, but the way we give credit to is for Pascal. So we call it Pascal's triangle, but if you look into the history, there's many other people, and many other people have been credited to it. So pretty much what I want you to know is that you're going to start off with row 0. So go ahead and write that, row 0. And this is used to find A plus B to the 0.
Wait, how? Wait.
So where's the PowerPoint?
Yeah, what's the PowerPoint?
It's not moving. I can't really
Oh,
see.
sorry about that.
Fine.
No, pues no.
What about that?
What do you mean, like?
Yes, no?
Like,
I still only
oh,
see the
Can we
first
make
slide of the
donations on
PowerPoint.
here, sir?
Yeah, it's only the first slide.
okay,
There you go.
there we go.
There you go.
We can see it
There
now.
you go.
Angel.
Right there. Okay.
Oh, what was that? Oh, shoot.
Oh, what the-
What are
Hey,
you
what's up,
doing?
everybody?
What are you doing?
I think Christina just
Yeah, what's
back.
up, bro? How you doing?
Yeah, you'll
I'm
get
just
better.
trying to
Sir.
learn math.
There you go. Okay,
Go
are we
back to
back?
the slide.
Are we back?
Go back to the slide.
We're good, sir.
Yes, we're good.
Awesome.
Wait, you're switching everything. Wait, I need to. Okay, there you go.
Okay, I'm back. All right, so pretty much what I want you to know is that this is going to start, so you won't go crazy. Just make a square, then make another square be underneath it, then a little square underneath it, you know?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Except that, you know,
Yeah.
in class, I had planned to print this out for you because it looked like a honeycomb stuff. And we're going to go ahead and find it. But since we don't have time for that, I'm just going to teach you what it is. Okay.
How many rows do you want?
I want, I believe it's 7 rows. Let me go ahead and see. Yeah, 7 rows. Well, consider the
Okay.
first row is 0, right?
Mhm.
Christina, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, for these notes, are like the little scribbles that you're putting on the notes, are they gonna be on there for the PowerPoint as well?
I'm gonna try, Ali. I'm not too sure. I haven't made one completely since, I kid you not, as soon as I finished calculus, I jumped into this one, so I haven't even seen it. So I don't know if the scribbles will be there, to be honest with you.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure.
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
So very importantly, guys, right here, row 0. Row 0 is the first row. Okay.
Okay,
Then we
so
go to
rows.
We go to row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5, 6, and 7. You should have 7 rows. Are we okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start filling
You
in.
write it.
Let's fill in this little Pascal's triangle. So I want you to think of a number. A number, let's go ahead and say 17 to the 0. What does that equal to when I put a number to the 0 exponent?
Oh, 1.
Zero.
Yes, so this is how it goes, guys. The first number in the triangle will be 1. And pretty much what we're doing is each row begins with a 1 and adds with a 1. So If I go ahead and add the numbers that are next to 1, which there's nothing, right? There's a 0 here, there's a 0 right here. If I add these two numbers together, 0 and 1, what do I get?
1.
I get a 1. Awesome. If I do the same thing, if I get my 0 and my 1 and I add them together, what do I get? I get a 1.
1.
Yes. So what I want you to know is that at every number, everything has a 0 to the left, 0 to the right, except the ones that are next to each other. So if I get 0 and 1, I add them together, what do I get? I get a 1. Good job. If I get the 1 and the 1 and I add them together, I get a 2. And I get the 1 and the 0, I get a 1. So hopefully you're able to see that this pattern will continue going because there is zeros on the other side. So hopefully you can see that no matter what you do, these right here will always have a 1 because the number next to it is 0. And when you add them together, they give you 1.
Wait, let me just read.
By the same definition, guys, this works the same. This is 1. There's a 0 right here. So this, if I add them together, they equal to 1. No matter what you do, the outsides always equal 1.
So I have a question.
Yes, what's up?
So like what's like the, not purpose, but like how do you use this? Like what would be like the...
Yeah, just like the do now, Angel, instead of you having to do all that multiplication that we just did, this will help you do it easier. Okay. Let's continue.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, don't worry. So if we got 1 and 2, we add them together, we get 3. We add these together, we get 3. And you keep on doing it for every single row. So we got 1 and 3, that gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 1 and 3, I add them together, that gives me 4. So I keep on adding. 1 and 4 gives me 5. 4 and 6 gives me 10.
Oh, wait.
Yes. Yes, it is.
I was just saying that your like screen is a little bit behind, so like
sorry.
whatever you're writing kind of just appeared.
Oh, gotcha.
But I get it.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys are able to fill this out also by adding the numbers together, and you get the number underneath it. So all I'm doing is filling in this little Pascal's triangle.
Oh.
Oh wait, I get it.
So I add them together.
That makes sense
This
now.
is 7.
Was this
15
like
plus
the big
6.
math video you had
That's
for like the
21.
review?
21.
Mine's not. Can you see yourself? Oh, I can see myself.
35 and 21.
Was there a question like this on the test?
Oh, I got it.
Yes, this unit is super easy.
Huh?
I kind of get it.
I think so.
All right, any questions on this so far?
I'm getting it a little bit,
Okay.
but it's weird.
So pretty much,
That's weird.
Do another example.
so pretty much, yes, we have another example right now. So A plus B to the first would be given to us like that. A plus B to the second. A plus B to the third. A plus B to the seventh. We use it like so. That's why that's the purpose of it. All right, guys, I'm gonna mute a couple of you guys because I can hear the background noises of your microphone. So sorry, it's just a little distracting. Okay, awesome. So this is how we're gonna go ahead and use it. So let's do Pascal's triangle on an actual example, and you're gonna see how easy this is. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna fill this in. I'm gonna fill these in. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. This one, 6, 15, 20. Just gonna fill these in real quick because I don't have the space.
Sina,
Yes.
are those numbers like ever gonna change, or will they forever be like that?
Forever be like that.
Okay, so we have to memorize that.
You don't have to memorize it if you can see that the pattern will always happen. Some my students sometimes memorized it last year, but you don't have to. I mean,
All right, cool.
Like it's easy to fill out.
yeah, it's easy to fill out, but if you want to memorize it, go for it. I don't recommend it. It's just adding.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so
Wait, then how do you use it with that? That's what I don't get.
yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. So the question everyone should have is like, what the heck is this? Why am I doing it? Why do I care? Stuff like that. Well, so this is what I want you to know. This is gonna be row 5. Whoops. So row 5. No, we know that. Know that it starts at row 0, okay? Row 0 is the first one. So if I wanted to row 5, that is going to be, well, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This right here will be row 5. But you're probably thinking, Decina, you're lying because I count these little numbers right here and I am seeing that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But remember, guys, this starts at row 0. Row always, 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 always. Okay. So let's go ahead and begin. So what I want you to do is you're going to take these little numbers right here, the 1, the 5, the 10, the 10, the 5, and the 1, and you're going to write them out. So let me go ahead and move these guys. So I'm going to write out the 1, the 5, the 10, the 10, the 5, and the 1. Okay? The numbers, I got them from here. Is everyone okay with that?
Oh, you're right. Wait, let me just move the thing.
Okay. I'm sorry?
Dejamos espacio.
Yes, leave space, yes. So the next thing is whatever number they give you, in this case is an A, I'm gonna put an A right here, an A right here, an A right here, an A right here, in each little term, okay? Now, this one is going to increase exponent, and this one is going to decrease the exponent, starting with 5. So it's gonna be 5, A to the 5th power, A to the 4th power, A to the 3rd power, A to the 2nd power, A to the 1st power, and A to the 0 power. Okay, let me go ahead and try the next one. I'll do it in red. The next one is B. B is going to decrease.
Tina,
Yes.
I have a question.
Sorry, yes.
Why'd you use row 6?
Well, I know it says row 6, but it's actually row 5. But remember, the rows start with 0.
Oh, okay.
So the 0 row, first row is 2, you know? So yeah, I agree with, it's actually the 6, but remember, you start from 0.
Okay, wait.
Okay. I get it. Thank you.
Yes, no worries. Okay, it's made a small typo here. This is actually decrease, and this one's increase. Sorry about that, increase. So this one right here is gonna be B to the 0.
Where's the typo, sir?
Just on the little writing right here. So the red is correct. This right here. The first one decreases. So you saw the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and the B is going to increase. So it's going to be B to the 0, right? The lowest number I can go is 0. Then it's going to be B to the 1st, B to the 2nd, B to the 3rd, B to the 4th, and B to the 5th. Okay, any questions so far?
Esto va a pasar con cada A plus B dependiendo del número que te da, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sí.
Gracias.
So let's go ahead and make sure we understood what just happened. So I'm going to go ahead and write the notes right here. Note. First term decreased. So example A, right? First term decreased, right? Then second term
There you go, that's
increased.
better.
So this right here, let me go ahead and write it in green. I'm sorry, blue. This one went ahead and increased. Now, the last thing, guys, super easy to do, but my students still got a little confused last year. But if this is a plus, guys, if this is a plus, that means everything here will be a plus sign. Everything will be plus.
Pacina, you're kind of lagging a little bit, and so like it's not really keeping up with your words, and so I don't really understand what you're trying to say.
Oh, sorry about that. Pretty much.
It's okay.
Albert, if you keep playing around, I'm gonna kick you out, buddy. Let me start kicking out people. You guys can watch it on YouTube.
I just realized there's a chat that's talking, asking if they can go to the bathroom.
I think I just erased that chat.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
So for the students that were asking about the where I'm writing because it is lagging, I just want you to know that this right here, guys, if it's a plus sign, every number is gonna get added. So the numbers in green have a plus sign between them right there. Okay.
Numbers in green have a plus sign?
Yes,
Okay,
so
wait.
everything here is gonna be added.
Nunca vas,
Christina,
nunca se va a hacer subtract, ¿verdad? Siempre va a ser add.
Well, remember, if
O
this,
depende.
yeah, depende. So if it's a plus sign, it gets added. But if it was minus, then it'll be alternating. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. And we'll do an example like that, but later on. Right now, we're just working on plus.
Okay.
Okay.
Gracias.
So let's go ahead and try a different one. So let's go ahead and try a next example. So a to the 7.
So we're gonna combine like terms or no?
There is no like terms. Sorry, I didn't know who asked that question, but yes, there is no like terms. You mean simplify?
So that would be the whole answer?
Well,
Yeah, like simplify.
Oh, yes. Simplify. Sorry, I got distracted by the children. Here we go. Let's simplify this right here, guys. Hopefully you know that when b is to the 0, that means equals to 1. So my answer will be the following. This right here, this first term is going to be a to the 5th. This right here is already simplified. That is 5a4 to the b. This right here will be 10a3. I'm just simplifying, Carmen. I'm just rewriting the answer. Plus this right here is already simplified. So it's going to stay the same. 10a to the 2nd, b to the 3rd. The next one, this right here is already simplified, guys. 5a b to the 4th. The ones you need to watch out for are the ones that have a 0. This right here has a 0, so it's going to be just b to the 5th. This right here is your answer.
Sir, ¿siempre tenemos que hacer simplify?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Always, especially when you got these right here. When you got to the 0 on the exponent.
Sir, I have a question.
Mándeme.
Is it just addition because the original equation that you were using, like the a plus 5, where it says row 5, it was addition?
Yes, because everything was addition right here. Sorry, I can't really see it anymore. But since it was addition, everything's addition.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, no worries. Any questions, guys?
No, I kind of get it.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and try one more. Yes, sorry, I didn't hear that. No? Okay, cool. All right, my last example, guys, and then I'll let you guys go. Let's go ahead and do something to the 7th. So hopefully you can see that the 7th is this row right here. This row right here, and I believe the numbers were 1, 7, 21, 21, 35,
35, 35, 21, 7, and 1.
21, and they're just symmetrical after that, 7 and 1. So last year we actually had like races about who could do a certain row faster. It was pretty fun.
One, sir.
So we'll see if I could do that somehow. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. Expand the binomial a plus b to the 7th. So pretty much we're going to use the numbers. This is row 7 because this right here, this first one, is row 0, right? Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and copy those coefficients. So I got a number 1, I got a number 7, 21, 35. And I'm around a space, watch me. 35, 21, 7, and 1. Whoa, barely made it. Okay.
¿Va a ser lo mismo que el otro?
Yes, ma'am. It's going to be exactly the same.
It's lagging a little.
Yeah, I think my computer can't handle it. So remember this right here, the A will go ahead and decrease, right? My A will go ahead and decrease. So it's going to be A to the 7. It's going to be A to the 6th, A to the 5th, A to the 4th. And hopefully you are able to understand what I'm trying to do, that each exponent is just decreasing and A to the 0. And I need to watch out with A to the 0 because
Let's choose a B7.
Yes, so let's go ahead and do the next one. My B will go ahead and increase from 0. So it's gonna be B
0
to the 0, and I'm just gonna go ahead and increase from there. Second, B to the 3rd, B to the 4th, B to the 5th, B to the 6th, B to the 7th. So now there's a little bit of tricks to this, guys, and throughout the lesson, we're gonna go ahead and learn them. But the first trick that I want you to know, the first trick that I want you to know is that no matter what, guys, let's go ahead and look at the first one and the last one. One of the functions is at its highest, and one of its functions is at its lowest. So we check over here, and they just swapped. So this one right here, now B is at its highest, and A is at its lowest. Does that make sense? That's how I know I did this correctly.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, last but not least, the plus sign, that means everything right here will have a plus sign because it is positive coefficients. So let me go ahead and make this a little bit nicer. And we have the following. This A to the 0 becomes a 1, so it's gonna be A to the 7th. And I'm just gonna go ahead and write this a little bit nicer, A6B plus my 21, A5B2. I know it's lagging, guys.
21.
I know it's lagging. All I'm doing, guys, is I'm rewriting everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and write this over here. This is 35, A4B cubed. This right here is 35, A cubed, B4. All I'm doing, guys, is rewriting it to make it nicer. 21, A squared, B fifth. Last but not least, 7A, 6. The ones I really care about, guys, are these right here because they have the A to the 0. That is just B to the 7th. This right here is your solution.
Oh, está easy.
All of that?
Yeah, that is your answer. Yes, all of this is your answer. Now, this is the same thing as A and A plus B to the 7th. So notice how we didn't have to do A plus B times A plus B times A plus B times A plus B dot, 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 7 times, you know? So that's how this works. So
The same will apply when it's subtraction, like A minus B.
we haven't gotten there yet, but if it was minus, so let's, for the students that want to go ahead and get ahead, if it was minus, then that means this would be, they will alternate signs.
Okay, because, okay, I get you.
So would it start, if it alternate signs, would it start with plus or minus?
So it would start with a negative. It would be negative, positive, negative, positive, negative,
But
positive.
it alternates because negative and a negative equals a positive, right?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, and we'll have more examples on the following lessons. But right now, I just want. Yes, the homework will be exactly like this, guys. So if we don't have any questions, I'll go ahead to the next slide.
Wait, would this be a multiple choice or a free response?
So these are the questions that keep me up at night. But I went ahead and did it in multiple choice because like I don't want to make you guys type all of this, and then some of you guys are on cell phones, some of you guys are on laptops, some of you guys are on packets. So just to make this easier for everyone, I went ahead and made it multiple choice. Is that okay? My plan is to go ahead and have it easier, but to not sacrifice the arithmetic on this. Okay, so the homework is 9.0. It's on Google Classroom. Now, in order for you guys to get full credit on this, you have to submit an image of your work. Okay. Okay, so I know everyone, well, I'm hoping that everyone has a cell phone and can take a picture. If not, you could type it out or whatever the case may be. But if, I'm sorry, I'm reading the, okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, so pretty much everything's gonna be on Google Classroom where you submit an image of the work. Let me read the chat. Maybe there's some important questions on this. Hopefully. Of course not. Let me see.
So I have a question.
Yes, what's up?
So with the final exam, since we're not that far away, the AP tests are not gonna have like the full like course completely. So is that gonna be the same thing for this class?
So as of right now, Ben, the STAR test got eliminated. My AP calculus class still has their exam, so calculus has not stopped. For us, I'm waiting for further instructions. My plan is that you guys will have a final exam, but it won't be as heavily, or we're not sure yet, to be honest with you. Let me get back to you on that. Does that answer your question?
Christina, for your homework, are we going to be copying down the questions as far as like the ones that you posted, and then we write them down on a notebook, send you a picture, and that's how you're going to grade us?
Yes, there's two parts on that. There will be a Google form, like a multiple choice, and then there will be an image submission. So both of them for full credit.
Do you have like your test scores for semester exams?
I'm sorry?
Do you have like your semester exams yet? I mean, not the semester.
The mock ones?
The mock ones. Yeah.
Yes, I do. And I'll post them shortly. But right now, I just want to make sure everyone is good.
All right.
Okay. Other than that, guys, that is all that I have for today. If you have questions, you can stay. If not, then you guys can go.
Sir.
Wait.
Sir, is this going to be YouTube?
Yes, this will be on YouTube.
Wait, what?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Good job, man. You did good.
All right. Thank you, guys. I'm still learning.
Hi, sir.
See you guys.
Yeah, I respect that.
Have a good day.
Awesome, guys. See ya.
Wait.
Are you trying to play
Peace
Modern
out, sir.
Homework.
Bye, sir.
We just send the homework by tomorrow, right?
By April 2nd, but if you have it done already, you could turn it in as fast as you can.
What?
Hi, Piscina.
Oh, where's
Send
the
it in on Google Classroom, sir?
Yes, it's on Google Classroom. It's already posted.
Okay.
Sir, have a great day.
Likewise, thank you.
Sir.
Hey, Isaac, why'd you throw your cat though?
Bye, Pesina. Good job.
See you guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Guys,
Cheese.
we should have done this episode of Teams. Right, bye-bye, Piscina.
Bye, guys.
How do
Have
you,
a good day.
how do you exit?
All right, guys. I'm gonna close the chat. See you guys.
Yeah, how do you exit? Stop video?
Oh, yes. What's up?
How do we wait? Like, how do we do the homework? Like,
It's
like
on
type on the
Google.
document.
It's on Google Classroom. If you go to Google Classroom, it should be a link, like a Google
How many
form.
people are still on? I'm wondering.
We're on the grind.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn it up on COD, Pesina.
The what?
Turn it up on Call of Duty.
Call of Duty. Okay. After school, I'll join. Send me your username.
Alright.
Okay. I
How do
get
you
out at 5.
exit? Okay, there. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Hey, Patina.
Yes.
I have a question real quick.
Yes.
So.
Oh my God.
So we're gonna see you again on Thursday, correct? No, on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes.
Do we continue on lessons tomorrow by ourselves, or do we have to wait on you for the 9.1?
I'm working on that, Derek. I'm trying to get kids to get advanced so they could finish the pre-cal stuff as fast as they can. But as of right now, it's until you meet me again. But yesterday's PowerPoint does have the material. It just doesn't have the Google Classroom information.
So if I choose to, I can move on, correct?
Yes, sir. You could definitely do that. So you can do all your homework and be done with the pre-cal. However, Derek, you are in the 10th grade calculus track. So we will be working on the University from Arizona's math. Did you get that invite already?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so that is also something we're going to be working on, but I start on that next Monday.
Okay.
Okay, but yes, you can definitely get ahead on pre-cal and finish that up. You could be done.
Okay, so and then on Wednesday, once I already have the notes down, I'll just be following along with you in the rest of the class.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Derek. I appreciate your ambition.
Hi, Derek.
Bye, sir. We'll see you Wednesday. See you Wednesday.
Yes, Wednesday, same time. I might have to move it to 10 because I'm struggling to do the times in this stuff.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
All right, guys. See ya. Trey, go do your homework. Juan, go do your homework.
I got you.
I know you miss us, man.
Yeah, I
you
do. Yeah.
The goat.
It's okay. It's okay.
How do you leave?
Check who's being.
Hey, Casey. Sorry, I was just updating my to-do list.
Oh, leave meeting. You know.
Pretty good. Just trying to organize.
Now.
See ya, Juan. Send me your username and I'll see what I can do. All right. See ya, Juan.
Laters.
Yes. Yes. I haven't updated. I'm working on briefs, and then I'm working on the twins appeals, but that should be done by today. So I haven't updated this tracker. Bless you. Brief, UTSA, and the twins. We're doing it for UT Austin. Mm-hmm. Yes. I am updating. Yes. And it's the same for the twins. Or what? I think it's like more money, and like they're mentioning that they're twins, and like that's kind of for like the switch for both